In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Smartsheet in Excel. Whether you're looking to organize your projects more efficiently or manage tasks effectively, leveraging the collaboration power of Smartsheet can make a significant difference. By the end of this tutorial, you'll understand how to seamlessly transfer your existing data from Excel into Smartsheet, enabling you to harness its robust project management capabilities. First, to kick things off, you'll want to log into your Smartsheet account. If you don't have an account, setting one up is straightforward on their website, and they offer a free trial, which is a good opportunity to explore all the features available. Once you're logged in, the dashboard is where you'll spend most of your time. It's user-friendly and provides a great overview of all your active projects. You'll notice a vertical sidebar on the left side of the screen. Here, look for the plus icon. This is the Create button, and it's your first step to getting your Excel data into Smartsheet. Clicking this icon will open a drop-down menu with several options, allowing you to create various items like grids, reports, and dashboards. For our purpose today, you'll want to click on Import File. Now, a new window will pop up, offering you the choice to import from several file types. Here, you'll choose Excel, since that's where your existing data is currently stored. You'll then be prompted to upload your Excel file from your computer, so navigate to its location and select it. If you have multiple Excel files, make sure to pick the one that contains the exact data structure you plan to work with in Smartsheet. Once you've uploaded your file, Smartsheet will automatically begin the import process. It's designed to recognize the structure of your Excel sheet, meaning it will retain all your existing columns, headers, and data rows. This functionality allows for a seamless transition, so you don't have to worry about manually recreating all the detailed nuances of your original file. After the import is complete, take a few moments to review your new Smartsheet. Make sure all your data has transferred correctly and that the structure of the sheet matches your expectations from the Excel version. This review is crucial, especially when dealing with a large data set, to ensure no information is missed or incorrectly formatted during the transfer process. If everything looks good, congratulations, you've successfully migrated your Excel data into Smartsheet. You're now ready to take advantage of Smartsheet's features, whether it's setting up notifications, collaborating with team members, or creating powerful visual dashboards that offer real-time updates on project progress. With these capabilities, Smartsheet can serve as a powerful tool to streamline your workflows and elevate your project management efficiency. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one. Happy Smartsheeting!